Hi, this is Luke A. with the PCT North America team, and in this video I will show you how to delete fields, farms, or growers. This is done in the Setup tool. First, to delete a field, click on the Field Editor drop-down, select the More Options button next to the field, and click Edit Boundary. Then click Wipe Out Field. To delete a farm, click on the Farm Editor drop-down, click the More Options button, and click Edit Farm. Then click Wipe Out Farm. The same process exists for deleting a grower. However, to delete a grower, first the farms and fields contained within that grower must be deleted.